with other countries. You can't leave the country without government's permission, and you have to mourn. I mean, literally, you have to come out in the streets and cry if the supreme leader dies. Welcome to North Korea. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What's happening? I'm Abhishek Mohan, and in this video, we'll prove why North Korea is the weirdest country ever. What I'm going to do in this video is quite simple. I'll be answering some of the most asked questions by you people in Google. So get ready for some weird answers. So question number 1. Can you leave North Korea? No. People in North Korea are not even allowed to travel around their country freely. People who try to leave their country without government's permission are considered as defectors. Many North Koreans escape to China but are often caught by authorities and sent back to North Korea. They are later sent to prison and are oftenly tortured. Moving on to number 2. Is North Korea dangerous to visit? Stay away from that place. Tourism in North Korea is totally controlled by the government. You must have a guide to travel in North Korea. Actually, you can't even step in North Korea without a guide. The guide decides which place you can go. You can't even decide which place you want to see. And you can't even talk to the local people. Violations of any of the early said things will lead you to jail. And in any circumstance, if you show any sort of disrespect to North Korean leaders, their statues, their posters, their pictures, symbols, anything, your trip to North Korea will be your last one, probably. Since 2017, US doesn't allow the use of US passports to travel to North Korea as they think it is dangerous. Still don't believe me, huh? Check the story of Otto Warmbier. He is a person who was sentenced to 15 years in jail for removing a poster in North Korean hotel. Later, he was released and returned to US in coma, which later led to his death. And the third question, can you drive a car in North Korea? Yes, no, it depends. If you are rich, you can drive a car. Usually, only political leaders and elite personalities have a car in North Korea. The cost of a car and its maintenance is very high in North Korea. Only 20% of the people in North Korean capital have the money or income to buy a car. Government also provides only limited access to fuel because of the shortage of fossil fuels like petrol and diesel. All the imported oil is mainly given to military purposes, so most of the North Koreans depend on public transport. Question number 4. Does North Korea have the freedom of press? According to Reporters Without Barriers, it's an international organization, Press Freedom Index, North Korea stands at first from the last. The Constitution of North Korea provides freedom of press, but actually all the media in the country is controlled by the government. All the radios and televisions in North Korea have preset frequencies, which means you can't even change the channel or hear something else. The national media totally focuses on political things and the promotion of personalities from political regions. If all this was not enough, some of the other problems that North Korea faces are discrimination and unequal access of food, malnutrition, criminal injustice, forced prostitution, forced abortion, etc. A video is not enough to talk about all the problems in North Korea. I hope people in North Korea one day will enjoy the freedom that exists in the real world, the freedom which we enjoy.